Hey guys, it's Ryan and Sam with Launch the Journey. In today's video, we're going to break down the SPY. That's the ETF for the S&P 500. Alright, so welcome back. Again, this is Ryan and Sam Hill. A lot of things that we do on this channel is affiliate marketing and stock market investments. I've been investing in the stock market for the last several years, and we're going to be doing a lot of breakdowns on the channel, and we're going to be showing you our progress on our account as well. So if this is the first time you've ever been to the channel, we show people how to make money online, how they can generate a passive income so that they can escape the 9-to-5 rat race and enjoy real financial freedom. So if they interest you, we'd ask you to go down there, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you'll be alerted when we come out with new videos.
So this is going to be the SPY ETF. It's the S&P 500, and as you can see, we're looking at the 1 year, 1 day chart that the SPY has been in a horizontal movement, and we're actually getting down near that bottom on the horizontal movement. So right now we're looking for a bottom, and I've got these price ranges, zones here that I'm going to be looking at. So this next level that we're looking at to see if it holds will be let's see, it's going to be around this 262 area, and then the next level I have written down is going to be the 258 level. So that's the biggest thing this upcoming week is do we hold and start an uptrend for the week? You know, if we start an uptrend, you know, can we go up to 268, 270? And I've got a 180-day SMA on here, which could offer as a resistance if we do get an uptrend. But if we don't, then I've kind of see we've been headed down. So we got to see if this 262 area and this 258 level actually hold. Because we are moving under the 180-day 4-hour, it almost looks like we're headed into a bull market. So this was the first pullback in February, and it started this movement. And as you can see, we got a support bounce on the 180-day 4-hour, and we continued up. We hit a high of 293, but we've had a massive sell-off. We're under the 180-day 4-hour now, which it's not good for the overall market. We just have to see if we do start to enter a bear market, or if we continue this horizontal movement and eventually it catches and we're back into a bull market. But right now we're in a horizontal trend, and that's what we're going to be looking at for this upcoming week.